Hello. We now enter the third section of this course. In this section, we explore some of the features of UiPath which would enhance user development experience. This capability of UiPath is called recording. Recording is an important part of UiPath Studio that can help you save a lot of time when automating your business processes. This functionality enables you to easily capture a user's action on the screen, which UiPath automatically converts into sequences. These projects can be modified so that you can customize and reuse them later. There are 5 types of recording available in UiPath Studio, as you can see on the screen. Now, before we go ahead and try recording, let's create a new sequence first. We name it 4_recording. The first type of recorder is basic. This recorder captures full details of each activity, but not of container. The first recorder is basic. This recorder captures full details of each activity, but not of the top level window. The second is the desktop recorder. This is suitable for all types of desktop applications. It captures some details of the top level window in which the activities are enclosed, along with partial details for each activity. The resulted automation is faster than basic recorder and is suitable for multiple activities. The next is the web recorder. This is designed for recording in web pages and browsers. It is recommended to run your web automations on an Internet Explorer 11 or above, Mozilla Firefox 50 or above, or the latest version of Google Chrome. The next is the image recorder. This is used to record virtualized environments, or SAP. This recording requires explicit positioning. The next is the native Citrix. It is equivalent of a desktop recorder, but only for Citrix environments. For this course, we will not be using the image and native Citrix record. So we start with the basic recording. We'll launch the text that I created on the desktop. The first thing I will do is send a click. The next, I will copy the text. Let's start trying the recorders. But before you do that, create a text file on your desktop like the way I have. Enter any text of your choice. Go to UiPath, click on Basic Recorder. As you see, a basic recorder panel appeared on the screen to assist us. You can start an application, send mouse clicks, copy text, or perform many other tasks using this panel. Let's start with the operation. Click on Type. Select the area for this activity. Enter the text of your choice. I will write hit 1. Press enter. Again, click on Copy. Select the area for this activity. Save and exit this recording. You see, all these steps have been converted into a sequence. I will add the message box to see if the text was copied correctly. See, dragging a message box. When the text was copied, a variable was automatically created. I'll copy this variable and enter it into the message box. Okay. Yes, it did. It entered hit 1 again and it copied the entire text after that. Now let's perform these activities using desktop recording. Type, select area. I'll enter hit 2. Next, copy the text. Save and exit. You must have noticed that there was no difference in the panel of basic recorder and desktop recorder. But still, when you look at the code after you have selected the recorder, you will see that there is a container window. This is the basic recorder. There is no container window present here. Whereas in the desktop recorder, you see a container. Within the desktop, you have this container, and within this container, you find these activities. So you see, there is a difference between the desktop and the basic recorder, like I earlier mentioned. And the desktop recording will be faster than the basic recording. Maybe not in this case, because just a simple application that we're using, a text file. But then the applications are heavy, it might help using a desktop application, the desktop recorder. But when you're using a heavy application, it might be helpful to use a desktop recorder.